How to contact Grab customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact Grab's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact Grab customer service, you go ahead and then first of all, launch the Grab app. Then to contact the customer support, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. From here, you'll find various options. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. From Help Center, tap on the button Chat to get help and tap on it. You can choose depending upon what kind of activities that you have and you want to chat with an agent. You can also go to other topics and select one of those topics as well. Once done, a live agent is going to get in touch with you, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically contact the customer support. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.